working as an extension educator at Urban Health Center, Panji. We are here today to observe National Dengue Day. Mission for dengue control, check, clean and cover.
National Dengue Day function, which is celebrated every year on this day, that is 16th May. The theme of this year, community participation of dengue control, check, clean and cover. This reminds us to take simple immediate action, that is check for stagnant water, clean our surroundings and cover water containers.
Very often they are the larvae which move very rapidly, and even the larvae, as after this presentation you can go and have a look at the different kinds of larvae. And so out of all these, the Aedes, the ones who spread dengue, those mosquitoes, they have a very fast movement. They are the ones who move the fastest. So we have this larva who last for maybe 4 to 6 days. Then there is a stage called the pupils, 1 to 3 days, and then you have the adult mosquito. And the mosquito can survive, the lifespan is around 21 to 28 days, and up to 2 to 3 kilometers. It's quite a distance. Sorry, it's 3 to 5 kilometers, but this is the upper limit, but at least 2 kilometers they can easily fly.
ऑब्जर्व करचो आणि तुमचे टोटल सोसायटीन भोवून खंयच आमचे स्टॅग्नंट उदक उरचें ना, इवन दॅट स्पेशली इन दॅट फ्लावर पॉट. आतां कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायटीचें सांगपाचें जाल्यार आमी एवरी वीक थंय विजीट मारता, एवरी वीक आमी थंय चॅकींग करतात जे थंय ब्रिडींग आसा काय ना, थंय एंटी लार्वल एक्टिविटी जाता काय ना, थंय जे लेबरर्स येतात ते स्क्रीनिंग जाता काय ना, तेंचे हेल्थ कार्ड्स करतात काय ना, ते खंयच्या स्टेटींतल्यान येतात, हे सगळो डेटा आमी दवरतात. हे आमी थंय रजिस्टरूय आसतात आणि जर ते करिना जाल्यार आमचे कडेन अंडर पब्लीक हेल्थ एक्ट आमचे कडेन पावर्सूय दिल्ले आसा टू सर्व द नोटीस, टू फायन देम हें सो करून. पूण जेन्ना पब्लिकांचो येता, जेन्ना हावजींग येता, जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसीस येता, बिकॉज गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसांनी सुद्दां खूब कडेन आमकां ब्रिडींग मेळटा इन देर वॉशरूमान तेंच्यो बकेट भरलेल्यो आसता, तेंचे थंय फ्लावर पॉट्स आसता. एवरी गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसान आमी नोडल ऑफिसर अपॉयंट केल्लो आसा. आमचे कडेन नांवां आसा, आमचे कडेन तेंचे कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आसा. आमी तांकां लेटर्स धाडटात की बाबा तुमचे ज्यो एक्टिविटीज जाता एवरी 15 days आफ्टर एवरी फोर्टनायटली ज्यो एक्टिविटीज जाता त्या एक्टिविटीचे रिपोर्ट सेंड करा म्हणून. बट सम ऑफ द म्हाका दिसता लेस दॅन 50% आमकां ते रिपोर्ट्स येतात एक्टिविटीज, आनी उरलेले आहा तेंचे कांय एक्टिविटीजच जायनात. बट आमचे जे फील्ड वर्कर्स आसा ते रेगुलरली विजीट मारतात. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दीस आमचे जे फील्ड एक्टिविटीज आसा, फील्ड वर्कर्स आसा, तेंचेर मागीर लोड येता. बिकॉज बेजिकली वी आर फॉर इन द टू वर्क इन द पब्लीक प्लेसीस. मागीर आमकां अशें सोसायटीनी टायम घालचो पडटा, आमकां गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसांनी टायम घालचो पडटा, आमकां ज्या जाग्यार एक्टिविटीज जावंक जाय थंय मागीर टायम घालचो पडटा, आनी मागीर आमचे लोडेड जाता. बिकॉज देर इज अ कितलेशे स्टाफ आमचे रिटायर्ड जाल्ले आसा, लेस स्टाफ आसा, मॅनपावर कमी असल्या कारणान टोटल एरिया हें जायना. बिकॉज आतां आमचो लास्ट टायम आमी हें केलें की दॅट फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट आनी ते ज्यो बोटी आसा, आमी पयलींच फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटाक बरयलें की तुमचे जे पनळ असतात ते फॉर फिशींग यूज करतात ते सगळे आमी पनळ कवर करून घेतले, जे यूज ना ते शेडीन हाडून दवरले. सो हें सुद्दां आमी फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटाच्या फाटल्यान लागून आमकां करून घेवचें पडलें.
Today's day is very important because it is a national day. And as far as Panjim is concerned, Corporation of City of Panji has to take a major role in this. Of course, today's program was done more for the housing societies, for the nodal officers, and with a focus on the community. But I think time has come now that the newly elected CCP councillors, of course, separate program will be done by Urban Health Center for them. But I think they have to take the lead because, see, in housing societies, as rightly pointed out by the doctors of Urban Health Center, the housing societies need to be approached. So if every councillor will take a meeting of the representative of housing societies of in Panji area, it will have a big impact. and particularly if they can do it in this monsoon season. Simple thing, there are but the message today of clean,
Community
cover and check and these three C's muntate. This can be taken up by the councillors, and whatever assistance they want, they can definitely take it from the urban health center. And my hope is that Honorable Mayor Mr. Mansarat can take the lead together with the commissioner. That if each of the wards can be tackled on a fortnightly basis or weekly basis, we can cover all the wards of Panjim area in one go. This could be a strong message for 2026 that you declare Panjim as a dengue-free city. This would be my message for the Panjim area.